Hello! Today I will talk about the features and benefits of Philips Ledinaire slim downlights. First, let's talk about energy efficiency. Philips Ledinaire slim downlights guarantee savings of 60% compared to conventional lighting. Additionally, provides an efficacy of up to 100 lumen per watt. With a lifetime of 50,000 hours at 65% of flux, you don't have to worry about light maintenance and replacements for a very long time. Philips Ledinaire slim downlights have a beam angle of 110 degrees with multi-color options of 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin and 6500 Kelvin. They can output 1000 and 2000 lumens. The housing and rim are white and the optical cover is opal. You can get it in two shapes, square and round. Ledinaire slim downlights come with a screw connector block with two poles for installation. We have two versions available, surface and recess mounted, so you can get the perfect fit for your ceiling.